You may have occasions where there's a problem with the shader or material that's applied to an object, and it will display as a bright magenta in Unity. Just to show what that would feel like, I have this object right now has a material dark blue applied to it, and I'm going to actually just select it and hit delete. And they kind of point out that that's permanent if I do that. So let me hit delete. And then I'm also going to hit delete everywhere. And then this is just to show you what this problem can look like, where again there's sort of a problem with the material or the shader, and it's kind of a warning sign. You see this bright pink. It can be caused by a couple things. So in my case, the material is missing, so it's having trouble applying it. You can also have cases where the asset wasn't prepared to work with the template you selected when you created the project. I started with the universal render template, and maybe some of the assets from the asset store were meant to be used in older versions of Unity. So you can have issues where it's displaying pink right away. If it's a case with the shader kind of being outdated or intended for another version, you can sometimes correct that with the menu command. So for example, I could try going to edit, render pipeline, universal render pipeline, and choose upgrade project materials to universal RP materials. Proceed. And if that doesn't correct it, then my second recommendation is to go ahead and apply a new material to it. Create one if you need to, and just go ahead and apply a material, and then that will eliminate the problem. So the pink is a warning sign, actually. Again, it's some issue with the material or the rendering that's assigned to it.